Today we are going to do practical life. We're going to go fold some washcloths. So we are going to be excellent at this. Now I need everyone to go find a washcloth, stop the video, and go get a washcloth. Hello my friends, welcome back, welcome back. So I want you to take your washcloth, and what we're going to use first of all is our right hand. The hand that you shake with. So I want everybody to shake with Miss Paula. Take your right hand and we're gonna lay our washcloths down on the ground like that. Okay, now everyone lay your washcloth flat on the ground so there's no wrinkles. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your right hand, that hand that we shake with, you're gonna take the corner that's closest to you and you're gonna fold it over all the way over. And then you're going to go to the top and fold it all the way over and smooth it down nice and flat. Now you're going to go to the bottom and you're going to lift it all the way up to the top. And voila! You are an expert at folding a washcloth. Yay! Okay, we need to practice. Practice makes perfect. So take it and shake it out again. And lay it down nice and flat so there's no wrinkles. Now you're going to take your right hand again, pick it up and move it over to the left hand side. Then you're going to do the same at the top and lay it nice and flat. And you're going to pick it up at the very bottom and move it all the way to the top. And voila, look at you, you've done it once, now you've done it twice. You are now an expert. Good job. Okay. Hey my friends, now you are an expert at folding washcloths. Remember, over the top. And then we're going to lift it up. Perfect. After you have folded your washcloth 10 times, I would like you to let Miss Paula know. After you have folded your washcloth 10 times, you will be an expert. And then you can help your mom and dad fold washcloths all the time. Great! Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.